You have 3 tasks. You need to boil water, do the laundry, and read a book. But wait. No, really, wait. Most of our time is spent waiting. There must be a way to jiggle these tasks together. But how? This is where the magic of async lies. Async allows you to be a time management master. Procrastination is async's magic to multitask. If you're not in the mood of being occupied, okay, give it up and do something else and come back to it later. Here comes the magic word, await. Despite its name, await does more than just waiting. It allows you to work a bit and temporarily give up the task and come back to it later. I would like to give it another better name, that is work and slack. But you work a bit and slack off and do something else and come back to it later. Await also has a side effect. It makes sure that you complete the task and get a result back. Let's go for some terminology. First is the event loop. Basically, it's the time manager itself. And for each of the function or tasks that you need to run, they will not be regular functions anymore. They will be packaged as a task object. Now, let's start coding. The easiest thing you can do is just import the asyncio library. Next, for each of the tasks you need to work on, define it using async define. This will make it a coroutine, a generator. This will no longer be a regular function that can be run normally. Within the task, go look for something that you can work a bit and slack off. For example, I can await on water is boiled. You can await an awaitable or another task, but basically find somewhere that you can slack off. If I'm awaiting water is boiled, I'm actually checking a bit on if the water is boiled and slack off and do something else in the meantime. But if you have nothing to do, the best thing that you can do is just sleep. Just like in real life, just sleep. You can also await on asyncio.sleep. By sleeping, you're basically doing nothing. But with the work and slack logic, you sleep 0 seconds, and then you slack off and do something else. Basically, the same as just jumping to another task. Await allows you to work on it, wait for its completion, and get a result back. Finally, when you have all your tasks laid down, what we usually do is we wrap it in a big task. And within the big task, you can write your tasks to a to-do list in which you run over by using the asyncio create task function. This will schedule its execution as soon as possible. As soon as you start slacking off, it will start taking things off the to-do list. Asyncio create task also creates a task reference. It also allows you to cancel it. To kickstart your task, remember to work and slack all of the tasks. This will allow you to start jumping around between tasks. Finally, you do asyncio run and you pass in a task for it to run on. This will spawn a human and start working on a task until its completion. This is usually how async programs are written. There's only one rule to remember. If you're blocking or not awaiting, you're certainly doing it wrong. That's it. I'm going to go slack off now, so don't await me. Thank you.